Are you traveling somewhere new this holiday season? Now, while I love the idea of gifting experiences, sometimes giving an actual gift is inevitable, and certainly having to travel with these beautiful presents also can be a little bit of a chore. Hi, my name is Tracy, and welcome to my channel. I am a senior travel advisor with Magnolia Travel Group out of Mississippi. And in this video, I'm going to give you 6 tips for traveling with presents this holiday season. And if you stay tuned to the very end, I'm going to give you 2 bonus gift ideas that are both travel related. So let's get started. Tip number 1. If you have one of those nesting set of suitcases or different kind of suitcase sizes, consider and pack one with your personal items and pack a second one with your gifts that you are taking. And that way on the return, you can load that one that had the gifts that you were taking. You can bring it back full of gifts that you yourself received. Number 2, invest in bubble wrap. Okay, we all know that airports are not very gentle with our luggage. You know, it looks like it's been a lot of times been run over by your car. So you don't want to pack presents that are breakable without putting some extra protection with them. So wrap them in some bubble wrap. If it's really delicate, then I suggest taking it on the plane with you if you can. Number 3, consider shipping your presents ahead of time. Obviously, this is one of the easier methods to getting your gifts to the destination you're traveling to, and it helps save that element of surprise while not having to worry about carrying your presents through the airport or checking them in your luggage. Take it to a FedEx or UPS store or some kind of similar packaging store and have them safely wrap your presents and ship them to your destination. If you're going to be staying at a hotel, call that hotel ahead of time to make sure you have the proper address and that they're okay receiving your package. Most usually are. If you're not staying at a hotel but staying with families or friends, be sure to check with them to make sure they have the space to receive your presents, and just so they also have a heads up that a package is coming that they need to hold for you. Number 4, if you're going to be packing a suitcase full of presents that you'll be checking with the airline, do not wrap the presents ahead of time. This is definitely a TSA no-no, because what's going to happen when you get to your destination, most likely your presents will have been unwrapped and inspected by TSA. So save yourself the time and the hassle of having to rewrap presents by not wrapping them ahead of time. Now, if you're going to be taking them on the plane with you, then usually it is fine. But just do not wrap them ahead of time if you're going to be checking that present in a suitcase that's going in the belly of the plane. Number 5, consider celebrating on a different date. Now, whether you're celebrating before or after your travel, it's okay. Nothing says you have to open those presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. So you may get to your destination a few days earlier and want to do some last minute shopping, or you may wait until your return. And it's okay if the little kids don't open your presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. They probably already getting a lot that day, and it will be perfectly fine. Now, remember, before I get to this very last tip, to stay tuned to the very end, because I'm going to give you 2 gift ideas that are travel related. In the meantime, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button and hit the subscribe. I'd certainly appreciate it. And last, number 6, plan ahead. No, seriously, that is a must. You must plan ahead. Consider size and weight requirements as you're filling that suitcase with a lot of gifts. Perhaps maybe some smaller gifts are in store this season, or for those larger full-size gifts, print out a picture and put it in a card. It will be okay that that present's waiting for them back at home, but at least they will have something to open to know what is waiting for them. All right, as promised, bonus gift number 1. Feeling a little creative? Maybe find your gifts that are kind of a theme, if you will. So for example, if you've got a trip coming up to Hawaii, perhaps purchase everybody some sandals or a Hawaiian shirt or something related to that trip. And even more so, get some gift wrap that coincides with that gift. So that's bonus tip number 1. And bonus gift idea number 2, give the gift of travel. You know, a delayed vacation coming up from spring break or summer that you give them at Christmas, that anticipation a lot of times is so much more unmatched that the little gifts do not even compare. And truthfully, the gifts or the memories rather that they're going to make from these vacations are going to last a lifetime. And a lot of times toys and presents and clothes, they're going to wear out, but the memories are not going to wear out. So consider that. And if you need some help with suggestions, contact me. I am a travel advisor, as I said at the beginning of the video, and all my contact information will be in the description below. I would love to help you plan that getaway. I can even help you with travel gift certificates if that's the case. Whether you're traveling near or far, going to see family or friends, or experience a new destination, traveling for the holidays is certainly extra special. And with planning ahead of time and thinking outside the box, this holiday season will certainly be one for the memories. Now, if you're looking for a travel advisor, look no further. I am your guy. I would love to help you. And all my contact information and a link to schedule a complimentary consultation will be down below in the description. Now, let's spread a little holiday cheer and go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my community here on YouTube. Now, happy holidays.